Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
We are, but now the work is in other side. We are the maintenance. We came here. They working other side. Nobody is working now. We are where we are going. That area. Then this Gunapatra Prabhu. He handles all the billings. Gunapatra Prabhu. Sekhar. That's it. This Rajendra Gauranga Das. Is now he initiated. He is although the construction civil area, he is managing the civil area. Yeah. Also Saraj Prabhu, Satyakrishna Das. He also in the building, assisting Gunapatra Prabhu. We'll go inside. We'll see Guru Maharaj first the Murti. They are making the Murti artwork. Same. All the Guru Parampara, the trial going on, that Milan Bag's son only he is coordinating, he is doing the job. Yes, Milan Bag is not here now. It's a Milan Bag's son.
He left.
He left, yeah. His son is doing the job. All the Guru Parampara, 6 Goswamis.
What was the decision of the GBC?
GBC is 6 Goswamis standing and the Guru Parampara in the front is sitting. That is.
Beyond that?
Behind that is there's some backdrops of Prabhupada or something, but now the GBC decision is 6 Goswamis and the Guru Parampara. But still the research going on. Yeah. Okay, we can go.
Please.
Yeah, these are. You can go to temple floor, Guru Maharaj. The ramp first you are using, Guru Maharaj. Inauguration of the ramp by car and wheelchair.
Hell, bhai.
The temple floor. Is a main temple supposed to be 200-ton segments. It's already 10 segments are done. It's total 210 segment. Now we are increasing more companies to involve in the job. It's if we work very fast with the two companies, it will take at least 7-8 months to complete. We are targeting for the December. We are planning to finish. Means the December means at least next Gaura Purnima, the entire dome erection will be complete. We have some technical problem. The R&D it took time. We have stainless steel.
How many?
This is like a one segment. You can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pillars. 4 vertical pillars became a one segment. Same way we already done 10 segments. Means the weight is approximately 2 tons. One segment weight is. This is 304 L grades stainless steel material. Now the layers for the dome, there is a one height. Same way it's supposed to go 4 heights. The whole dome we divided 4 sections, 4 heights.
That's how much?
It should be 110 feet height supposed to be. 110 feet supposed to be. Dome.
Existing is 1 quart or less?
Now this is a one piece. Then above another one more piece will go. Again the third piece. Then the fourth piece. Then the dome will become half round dome. 17 rings. Yeah. The full is 17 rings.
How many rings up?
This rise now the height is approximately 200 feet. From the ground is 200 feet already, the height.
And these columns can carry how much weight?
This column in between, this is 20 feet approximately, 20 to 22 feet, like a different height, like 22 feet approximately the height, each floor.
So these columns can hold that weight.
Yeah, all the columns take the load. We have the load transfer to all the columns. This is the main column. We have the column is 900 columns, bigger columns. All the load comes through the column. And not only that, the backside column also is parallelly support.
Height is one fourth?
Yeah, one segment height of
It's 3.67.
3.6 meters. Means approximately is like a 12 feet. 20 feet one segment height. One segment height 20 feet.
Later on it will be 4 meters. This from the second ring.
Lateral the second ring onwards there will be a 4 meter high. This is 3 meter, that will be 4 meter. The next ring will be more higher. Yeah.
Something the next two is more than, and the top one is almost spent, almost back.
Next piece.
The next two pieces
Ah.
are going in. And the top
Yeah.
piece,
This is with the same main dome you are talking about next two pieces. Yeah, the first this is this level, one ring. Then they will fix the second piece above. Like it is standing like this. Then the second piece will come like this. Then the third piece, a fourth piece. Everything by bolt nut.
and so how do they ensure that the bolt nut doesn't loosen up?
No, it will not be as everything. The first level one full ring is ready. Then they check the measurements and it's not be diagonal and everything. The cross dimension everything checked. Then they do the crowding. Already now it's a double bolted. It's a little bit a lock nut. After that they crowd and with the concrete they jam it everything. Then the higher level again they will put a double lock nut and they will lock it. It will not move anywhere here and there. Because welding is in the top, it's not safe. Because welding in the stainless steel is it's not safe because the chemical processing problems are there.
And there are double nuts.
Yeah, double nuts.
almost
One nut
all.
tight and the second nut locking. Still we'll put welding or spot and damage the top thread. Then it will not come out.
So one, two, three, there's the three levels.
Yeah,
of-
this is 1, 2, 3 level for museum floors. Then above the museum floor there is another 40 feet height. It's like Kirtan Mandali. There is paintings will be there. It's like almost like a 2-floor height. It's a big Kirtan band. Then the planetarium section, planetary museum will be other side. We can go there.
Can I go?
Yeah. This will be a temple hall. Yeah. Can we move there?
Oh.
Yeah, Ariba. इधर से left. Russians, huh? They are from Russia. Yeah. We'll go a little front there, make a sample.
Как дела? Как дела? Спасибо.
We don't take it. This side, then side we can. From here.
Yeah?
From here we can stand. We can see the yellow. Come here, come here. There is a Gurumara, there is a made, this is a trial. They made a elephant, big elephant in the entrance. But it's not successful because according to the height of the column, because column is bigger, the elephant, it's like the look like it will not successful. That was Sadhguru plan. We may change. This is a trial we are doing by POP. Plaster of Paris.
That's made from plaster of Paris. That's cement or?
No, this is a plaster of Paris. Grass is inside and plaster of Paris. This is a trial research.
And
Yeah. The landscaping straight supposed to be up to the government road. Main security concern we have to be like a 2-level, 3-level security system in the front we have to maintain. Correct. Supposed to be some experimental they are doing. But
so this and where this is cut off here?
yeah, there, there's a escalator. It's a part of the temple floor. We can go a little close.
हॉल में काम चल रहा है.
Yeah, here. Gurumara, that is the whole area. That is a machine room for the escalator. Other side of the escalator, there will be a partition. Then it's a museum, the exhibit of the planetarium area. Because escalator comes part of the main temple.
So on the exhibit wall,
Up to first floor escalator. When the people come for darshan, they going to the museum area and the museum floor 1 museum. But the escalator is approachable only the temple floor to first floor. Means museum 1 floor. After the museum 1 floor, they have to take a staircase to go up. There's a true escalator. Sometimes it's true also only going upwards. When the crowded time, non-crowded time, one is going up, one is down.
This height is how much?
This height is 22 feet. 6 meters. Yeah. 22 feet.
And above,
18.
next floor,
18 feet.
Yes, Guru.
next floor, above this,
They're all same floor, only the auditorium 32 level, 22 to 32. After second level.
no,
Above one floor, then another floor.
the whole dome
Yeah.
becomes the screen.
Yeah, this acoustic panels.
No,
Yeah.
the,
Sing door.
the whole dome becomes
Tilting.
a screen.
Yeah, tilting, yeah.
The whole thing is a screen.
Sing.
Around like you saw the
Yeah, that's a program. They last week they played.
like that, only bigger.
Yeah, they told, but the technology, I don't know who is already, nobody working for that so far. This is all the thing. Now it's we have to start execute.
No,
Yeah.
we already have the concept
Okay.
that the project of the whole dome.
Okay.
Like you look at the sky,
Yeah.
just like that.
Yeah. Okay.
Not like a movie
Yeah. Okay.
that you see one side. The whole thing,
Whole thing is settled.
see if we can use their technology.
Yeah.
They've never made such a big dome. Only here is 10 meters.
Yeah, 10
We do 10 meters.
10 meters. Okay.
10 meters.
10 meters. Okay.
But we are need is 19 feet.
90 feet. 90 12 to 20. We have how many meters? 20. 28 meters. No. 28 meters.
Yeah, the diameter is 20
Diameter
feet.
28 meter height.
Krishna Krishna Hare